Hey guys, happy Sunday everyone. Welcome back to my channel. This is Miss JD once again for a weekend episode of our daily stock review. And in this episode, I am going to talk about GameStop. Okay, I bet most of you are very familiar with this stock because they've branded GameStop as a meme stock. And yeah, let's find out more about it in this video. In the meantime, I'd like to invite everyone, if this is your first time to watch this video, I'm Miss JD. I do review stocks in the Philippine market and in the US market, sometimes cryptocurrency. I am also active in that. So if you like trading and investing, this is the channel for you. So feel free to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always updated whenever I have new videos. So who is GameStop? Okay, so let's begin. Who is GameStop? So this company is a multi-channel video game retailer. So I went to their website, GameStop.com, and this is what I see. So you have different types of games, consoles. All right, so gamers out there, I think they're very familiar with this website, and they're based in the US. So these are their stuff. Okay. So why did this company create so much buzz in the past few weeks and was eventually branded as the meme stock? Now, let me show you why. This stock, so I went to tradingview.com, this stock uh, rose in price. Okay. The price increased on these days. Price has increased by, let's try to measure it from, it was just trending around 15, 20, and then eventually increased to around 40-ish level. So let's try to measure it from the 40 level. So it has increased, right, by 1,000%, 1,100% in a span of a week. Okay, let's say you were able to enter right here, just how many days, and then we had that opportunity for the price to reach this level. So imagine if you were able to enter with or let's say you're a holder from this point here and then you did not exit, it's even more than that. So it's such a great opportunity here. Now, what happened here? So this is the result of what we call a short squeeze. So what is the short squeeze? According to Investopedia, let me just open it here. A short squeeze occurs when a stock or other asset jumps sharply higher, forcing traders who had bet that its price would fall to buy it in order to forestall even greater losses. Their scramble to buy only adds to the upward pressure on the stock's price. So while the hedge funds, so this is what happened. While the hedge funds were trying to short this stock, a group of traders who are very active in Reddit orchestrated this move and bet for the stock to move higher. Hence, it resulted to a big loss for our hedge funds. And some of them were forced to buy it. And then, of course, it resulted for the stock to shoot up even higher. Now, the next question is, do you think this stock could have another round? Let's try to check that out. So personally, I would have to say that, let me just remove that. I would have to say that using my Bollinger Band here, I have my RSI and the volume plus a 200 EMA trend line here. I would have to say that the second round already happened, but this time around the spike in the price did not really reach this level, but there was an attempt. Okay, and on this day, February 25th, at the opening price, the price increased by, well, we have to start it from this day, February 24th. That was the trigger already. Massive movement. That's 112% increase. But good thing it did not do a gap up at the start of the market, or when the market opened. So everyone had the opportunity. But come the next day, there was another opportunity, and this time around the price um, did a gap up. So let me remove this. So when the price did a gap up, and if we are to measure it, if you stayed in this stock for just 2 days straight and probably must have exited somewhere here, then that has already given you a 300% uh, potential gain. So what we have here. So notice if you're very observant with the volume right here, while we were doing sideways during this period, that could have already been our opportunity to start accumulating volume. And then when this day happened, this was a good sign considering that there is a massive jump in the volume. Okay, and here as well. So hopefully you were not able to enter at the peak right here, because technically you're stuck at this point now. But the good thing is volume is still here, and I would have to say there is a big possibility that this stock is still going to have uh, high volatility in the coming days. Volume is still here, and anything can happen. But as of this time, I would have to use my Bollinger Band as my indicator. I'd say there's a big chance that we could go touch this level one more time. Hopefully, we don't break that anymore. But worst stop is it goes back to, of course, this level, which is our strong support at the 40 area. But if that happens, looking at the, because the stock is still at its peak, it's still hyped up by a lot of people. So chances are, uh, if it is going to break the 88 level, it will touch a 40 area, but it's just going to be short lived. It will be touched within the day, and I'm sure it will shoot up in price. So for those people who may be on the conservative side, um, you can just place your order if you want. Like, do test buys. Try do test buy at the 88 level. Probably a manageable size and amount you're willing to forget in case it drops further to the 40 dollar level. I was talking about pesos, not dollars. So let us say, so try to anticipate. Try to put an order at the $88 level, and then put another order around $40 area. So try to experiment in these levels, because for me, I'd say these are key areas where an action can potentially happen. So personally, I still have a position here. So on the past 2 days, I've had several trades, just doing intraday trade for the past 2 days. Small gains because I know the movement wasn't really that much, but at least we were able to lock in some gains. Exited uh, uh, a few trades. However, I have a few that's already but still in there, where I was able to enter at around 120 area, and at least it's not that far yet. And I strongly believe that within the day it could still be touched. Although I'm hoping that it could go back to the 88 level, and then I'll try to do a test buy there. And if it breaks, my trigger is if it breaks around that area, then chances are I'm all set. It's gonna drop up to the 40 level again before it takes off, right? But so far, I think let's embrace the idea that this stock is still going to create that high volatility in the coming days. So if you're okay with playing this stock, and you have the tolerance to high volatility stocks, then I think if you're able to enter at a promising level, then this could also give you a promising set of returns. So good luck in your trades. Hopefully you can ping me, drop a comment if you were profitable, or if you entered. Just let me know your thoughts, and good luck to all of us tomorrow. All right. In the meantime, thank you guys for watching. Let me know if you have some stocks in the US that you'd like me to do a deep dive with, and I can also check them out for you. In the meantime, thank you and bye bye.